Good morning from Nawa Nawa beach here in Ogea. This is this little beautiful beach. I've been cleaning during a week. Big cleaning. I didn't film it before I started, but this was like nearly 1 meter full of rubbish. Now it's all clean. Part of the rubbish, you can see it here. Still a lot of work to do. Here I'm planting the food. Chinese cabbage, English cabbage, red pepper. One thing I have no idea what it is. This is gonna be 2 rows today. Here's 3 rows of corn. So this is still a lot of work to do. I want to clean every corner, but that's when I come back. Here you can see where this rubbish is. This far came the wave of the tsunami, of the 6th of January 2022. So beautiful coconuts, nice and sweet. And here I'm really expect to make a beautiful plantation. The beach is from Vuli and Nepalese beach, but they let me use it, and I'm so happy. I love planting. And breadfruit trees, bananas. It looks like some dalo leaves, wild dalo. Okay, so this is I'm gonna continue once I'm back from Sabu Sabu and Suba. I'm really happy. I love planting. It's now 22, 23, 24. I don't know exactly of March 2022. Beautiful day. And okay. So that's it for today, this little filming. Maybe one day I make a little trek to go up, so you can see all the neighbor islands. That's it, because plenty work to do. Bye bye. First I want to drink a coconut.